Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Brown and this is my fourth class. I am excited to be in this course with you all. What I am doing professionally is I work for a company called AmeriHealth Caritas. It is a Medicaid HMO. I have been with the company for 8 years and it is a company dedicated to serving the poor and underserved. I've had many roles, but I am currently a consent management representative and I enjoy it. It's a really great company. I'm glad to be an employee there. So, what I have enjoyed in my previous courses is learning about the person and environment in their family systems, their internal and external systems. It's really intriguing to learn how those things can affect a person's outcome and their overall and contribute to mental health issues and contribute to social justice issues. So I was really intrigued by all of that I've learned. There's a host of stuff that I really enjoyed through the three courses that I've taken thus far. So what I'm looking forward to in this course is to learn about the history of social work and how as it pertains to law. I think having a good foundation will make for great practice as a social worker to because social work has so many layers. It's not just clinical. It's not just one subject area where social work falls. So I'm grateful for that I'm learning more in depth as far as social work. So I'm excited to see what else this course will add to what I've learned thus far. I hope you all have an amazing course, and I look forward to working with you all.